Hey everyone, what's going on? Oh gosh. Christmas morning. Can't open up no presents. Nobody got me any presents, so no big deal there. But I looked out the window this morning and the birds have eaten all the seed. Golly. I gotta go fill those feeders up. I got better things to do. I could have slept in. Nope. So now I gotta unload the back of the side-by-side. Oh, man. Get all this crap out of here. Problem is, I got too much crap. Maybe that's why no one buys me any crap for Christmas. But do you really want people to buy you stuff for Christmas? You know, every time I get something for Christmas, it's really crap that I don't need. If I need something, I just go out and buy my own crap. Let's go check the mail. All I got was crap in the mail. Bird seed. Seems like all I do is fill up those bird feeders. Golly. Well, I hope a deer ain't out of deer corn, 'cause I ain't got none. They haven't even eaten all this one yet. Have to get it all stirred up. Rain gets in there, which we've had a lot of lately. Actually had flood warnings here 2 or 3 days ago. But that water gets in there and it hardens up that seed, so I got to break it up. Birds are too lazy to get in there and peck at it and loosen up the seed so they can even get to it. Now this one here it's empty. For the most part. There's still some hard stuff down in here. I'll give the birds a pass on this one here. They can't get up in here to loosen up the seed, so I'll loosen it up for them. Dump it out. Them doves, they're too fat to get up there on the feeder, so I'll put some on the ground for them. They usually just eat what the other birds knock out of the feeder when they land on it. I don't know how they get so fat. Well, I got this one here full. Okay. Dump all that out for them. This here's a bad design for a bird feeder, but it works, I guess. It really clogs up when it gets rainy and everything, and got to clean all this crap out. Okay. Let's get this one filled up. Talk about a bad design for a bird feeder. Look at that small hole right there. That's how big that thing is. Like, how do you put bird seed in there? You get a funnel and it takes forever to get in there. I had to destroy a good funnel to get a wide mouth opening, put in this thing so I can get this thing filled up, or I'm out here for an hour and a half trying to fill a frickin' bird feeder up. One more. Okay, this one's full now. Now I go to the one over here. This one here takes black sunflower seeds. This is my favorite one. Number one is because I built it. Number two, the deer like to come over and eat the sunflower seed that the birds knock onto the ground. Number three, the squirrels like to climb up on it and eat the sunflower seeds. Number four, the squirrels open the lid up and they crawl up in there and they eat all the sunflower seeds. Number five, the big mama deer will come up here and they'll actually put their paws up on it and reach in there and take their tongues and lick out the sunflower seeds. That's my favorite feeder. Got one more. There's no feeder here because it's right here. I had to fix it. I had to put a new piece of plexiglass in there. I don't know, for some reason one side of it was broke out. Landed over there in the neighbor's yard. Oh, there's some right there. I can't get in over there, so they're just stuck with it. Hopefully they pick it up before they mow it. Or at least hopefully they're mowing the other way, so when they break it all up, it doesn't go in my yard. Figures. Didn't have enough to fill this one all the way up, so now I gotta open up the whole bag. Just so I can get this feeder here filled up. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. This thing here holds these little balls that go in there. Can't buy them anywhere. I guess they're stuck on containers in California or Panama or Florida or wherever those things are. Well, I hope none of y'all took me serious and everything. It is Christmas Day. I am actually in a good mood. I'm not grumpy. I know I appeared grumpy and everything. I love feeding my birds. I love my birds out here. They're fun to watch. I get a bunch of varieties. It's fun to watch the squirrels jump up on them feeders and try to get some of that bird seed. But they seem to kind of fail because the way I have the feeders spaced out on the bars, they really can't seem to get it. Except for that sunflower one, because it's on top of a wooden post. They can climb right up there and eat it. But it's fun to watch them. I wished I had some deer corn to put in the deer feeder, but I didn't make it anywhere yesterday to get any corn, so I'll get some here in a couple days and I'll get that thing filled up. I'm sure there's probably some still left in there. Well, hey everyone, I just want to tell you all Merry Christmas. See ya.